Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and Do You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we enter our projects into Saturday Morning Mix, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, or you can use the hashtag SatMornMakes. So this week's theme for 2Crafters, 1 Design was Pinwheel. Next week's theme will be red rubber stamps, or some kind of rubber stamp. All right, so I know you all have a bunch of those out there, so make sure you pull them out and enter into hashtag 2Crafters, 1 Design. All right, so let's get into what I used to create my card. So happy that my Creative Time came out with enamel dots. If you know me, I love enamel dots, so I will be picking, or should have by now, picked up these in the sale, which started yesterday and will end tomorrow at midnight. All right, so that's what I use for my enamel dots. Then I also use the stamps here, and I am using Oh Happy Day. I'm also using the small and medium ginger faces. I think I'm using that one. The Beach Gingers 2. And I'm using a few of these items on here. Garden Gingers, I'm just using the hat and the accessory there. And then this one, what is this one called? Giant Ginger Cupid add-ons and Sweet Ginger Cupid add-ons. Actually, I'm using this right here. Sweet Ginger Person is where I got my gingerbread from. And for my pinwheel, I had chose a pinwheel to use, but I didn't like how it was turning out, so had to get creative. So I am using my Creative Times peppermint dies for my pinwheel. And then this is the paper I'm using, Sweet Summer by Markers Movement. I think that was the name. And then from Concord and 9th, I'm using this stitched polka dot card front die. And you can see that there. And in my Creative Time again, I am using the rectangle frame die layers. So if you'd like to go shopping over at my Creative Time this weekend, right now she has 15% off your total purchase because it's a release weekend. She has some cute products this month. So make sure you use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase. And here goes this adorable little card. She's out there. It looked like she's floating in water. That's what I wanted it to look like. But she has her pinwheels in her hand. Looks like she's having a very happy day. She's adorable though. I thought it turned out so cute. Love how that paper looks in the background. Thanks so much, Lisa. And her hat. And her little outfit, just adorable. And look at those little pinwheels. I thought they turned out so cute. I thought they were perfect. Perfect for the theme. And then I love that background die as well. There goes the inside of my card. Kind of simple there, but still cute. And that's all I have there. Make sure you use our hashtag 2Crafters, 1 Design to enter in our collabs with hashtag SatMornMakes by Jillian Norwood. That's all I have for you, everyone. Check out the picture at the end. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.